guys, it is 10:39 right now. We have come to Swanshurst Park today. Where are we?
At the park, lovely.
We're at a lovely park, she said. We have come to feed the ducks because there's a duck pond that way, and there's also a play area right here. So we're gonna wait for my sister to come with her little girl, and then we're gonna go to the duck pond. So we're gonna have a little play. Isa is sleeping in here, and just gonna put him in the pushchair. We're gonna walk to this little park here, and then we're gonna go for a little walk over there. But yeah, exciting. There was just this really creepy guy picking up, like, I don't even know what they are. He was just picking up these little like silver canister things, and they're all over the car park for some reason. I don't know, they're like drugs or something. But how creepy is it that he's doing it at a park? Like, come on, get a life. We are going to feed the ducks now. It's a little tiny walk to the pond, and the girls are having the time of their life walking down the path. Don't pick flowers! Isa is sleeping still. Whoops, almost woke him up there. To a pet shop in King's Heath, and Isa was screaming in the car, so we had to bring him in here. And look at the lovely little bunnies, they're so cute. So we've come to this little cafe place in King's Heath next to the pet shop, and it's really cute and pretty here. It's like got loads of plants, obviously. But Isa's just having some milk. Elisa's gone inside with my sister. Are there toilets here? Do you want me to take her? Are you sure? Elisa needs a wee, of course. Isa is a little grunter. He sounds like a little dinosaur when he grunts. He's so cute. Luna is being very naughty. Luna, Luna. So I've got this smoothie, and it just looks disgusting. Like, I'm so weird about food.
Do you like it?
I haven't tried it yet.
Oh.
I'm going to try it on camera. So I'm going to try it and see if I like it.
You like it, Mummy?
Meh. Tastes like jam. Tastes like jam.
It's like
Very weird.
jam.
Yeah, do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Nah.
In the car, about to go home now. Nuna was very sad, wasn't she? We're just about to head home now, and then I think we've got to do an Aldi shop. We got a few little bits and bobs from the charity shops. We got some little cars, little toys, because the kids get so bored of toys, and there's no point in spending so much money. So we just spent like £2, and we got about 4 new little toys. So we just got home, and we thought we'd show you what we bought. So we got this and also this, 3 for £1, and Elisa got a little Octonaut. Got pink clips.
Yeah, and it's got a hat.
It's got a hat as well. What's her name?
Jessie.
Jashi.
Yeah.
Cute. And then very small, isn't she? Yeah. Next we got this funny little car. I don't know what it's supposed to do. And we got this little thing from another shop which you basically put on the floor, and then whichever way you put it, it doesn't fall down, it just stays standing up. How cute.
Look, it's little round.
I just realised that I forgot to put the washing out before I went out. That was clever. Now it's going to smell all musty. It doesn't smell bad, it's fine.
Hi guys. Look, I like a triangle. Are you seeing me, Mommy? Look, I'm a triangle. Look, the shape of this. Look, the shape of this.
You're the shape of a triangle?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's the sun. Look this.
So
It looks like a sun.
Yeah.
See, you like it, Mommy?
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new, let the old be dead.
Baby got me on the eyeball.
Show me.
Baby got me on
Oh,
the
silly boy, he's so sad.
The shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you.
It's the next day now, guys. I'm in the fort. I've come to Primark because I need some clothes and stuff for Elisa, some pajamas for Isa, and Elisa's just growing out of all of her clothes, so I thought we'd get some like little dresses and stuff ready for the summer because it's quite warm today. So I'm hoping it's gonna stay like this. This morning I've been so emotional. These guys have stressed me out to the max. So I don't know, Isa's just fallen asleep, which is why I'm able to vlog right now. Elisa's just been in one of those moods where she just doesn't want to listen to anything I ask her to do. I'm like really stressed out today. I wasn't even going to vlog because I was so stressed out, but I thought, why not? This is life, guys. This is real life with 2 kids. It's not easy. So let's go.
Let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep?
Following you.
The night is young, won't you for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat.
We are on our way back home now. Well, we just got in the lift. I didn't film much in there obviously because there's loads of kids, so I didn't want to get any kids in the vlog. Elisa was such a good girl, playing very nicely. Isa woke up and he was playing nicely too. But yeah, now we are just gonna go home. We're probably gonna get a McDonald's on the way home because we are hungry. Are we hungry?
I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive in.
Notice the outfit change. She spilt half of her orange juice all down her dress, her tights, everywhere, her coat. So thankfully I have things from Primark that I just bought, so she's in some dry clothes now. No shoes though. This girl man's having some milk. He was.
The orange juice didn't spill down today.
And what happened after that?
Aren't you?
What?
And it's on my animal's fault.
It's all your fault. Put your belly away.
Your ocean, with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer.
We got home around 2 o'clock, or maybe a bit before that. My sister and nieces came round for a little bit, and we've just been chilling really. I'm gonna cook some food in a bit, and then I'm just gonna go to bed. What? I'm so tired. I literally just want to fall asleep. I've just been lying on the sofa for ages. Isa is over here. And Elisa is over there. I did a little Primark haul, which you might have seen by now, I'm not sure. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to carry on vlogging today because I'm so tired. I literally just want to fall asleep now. I need to cook some chicken and potatoes.
Just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat.
This is my dinner. Hummus, that potatoes and peas thing, some chicken, some salad and a piece of bread. So I'm going to end the video now because I'm just going to eat and then get the kids to bed and then chill and then go to bed myself. So yeah, thank you for watching this video guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!